Hello and welcome. This is going to be a short meditation to help you move into coherence. Coherence is when the brain and the heart are synchronized, are working together. And this state will allow you to move into more peacefulness, calm, relaxation, and even enhance your intuition. So the way to get into it is very easy. So we begin breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the nose. And with each in-breath, counting internally 5 beats. And as you exhale, counting internally 5 beats. Breathing in for 5 beats. And breathing out for 5 beats. Breathing in for 5. And breathing out for 5. Breathing in. And breathing out. And just continue in this way, breathing in for 5 and breathing out for 5. Take your time. And you've probably already noticed things are starting to calm down, the emotions calming down, becoming more steady, the heart rate stabilizing. With each breath. And the second step is to focus on a point in the center of your chest and see if you can generate feelings there of care, appreciation, joy, love, or compassion. And an easy way to do that is to think of someone or something in your life that you appreciate. It can be as simple as thinking of a pet, a dog or a cat, and just see if you can allow that feeling of love and care and appreciation enter and generate within the heart area, within the chest as you breathe. Keep the breath at that same rhythm. 5 beats in and 5 beats out. You can even imagine the breath is entering your chest, filling your heart. And just allow yourself to bathe in this feeling. Love, appreciation, joy. And continue in this way. And this state has been found to create coherence, a balanced state, a harmonious internal state. And these feelings of love, appreciation actually regenerate and create energy in the system. A harmonious energy, a healthy energy. And other feelings like anger, frustration, anxiety, they actually drain energy. They use energy up. So this practice is a way to replenish, recalibrate your system. And it also allows a mass of beneficial biochemicals to move through your system to help repair, regenerate the cells in your body, improve digestion, anti-aging, boost immunity. And this is it. This is as simple as it gets. Breathing in for 5. Breathing out for 5, nice and easy, while generating a feeling of love, appreciation. And when you're in this state, this is the perfect state also to work on any affirmations, any intentions, any feelings you want to bring into your world. In this harmonious state, this is the perfect time, because this means you have balance, you have harmony inside your system, so when you bring those things to mind, it gets full power. So practice this for at least 5 minutes each time. Putting yourself into a harmonious place, especially early in the day, will have overflowing effects as you move into your day. And of course, you can practice at night before you go to bed. Again, to recalibrate, rebalance your emotional system. And just when you're ready, you can come out of it, becoming aware of the room around you, the space, the body in the room. And see if you can keep that feeling as you move on into your day, as best as you can. You can come back to this practice at any time. And you can practice it anywhere. So have a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.